Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Venmo card to Cash App. So if you're looking, first of all, on how to do it inside the app, I'm not going to show you the interface of this app at this video. So I truly apologize if you are here for that because I'm outside the US at the moment. So I cannot log in or even create or try to create an account. So basically, if you don't have the Venmo app at the moment, you'll need to go in and install it. First of all, if you do have it, just go and log in into your account and you should be good to go. So how to send money from Venmo to Cash App, or basically how to add the Venmo card to Cash App, then you can of course send money. So first of all, things that you should know. You'll need to enable the direct deposits for your Cash App to make it function as a bank account, which you can then link it to Venmo. And also, you can apply for a Venmo debit card or cash card and just simply add this as a payment method for the opposite app, which is Cash App, allowing you to transfer funds back and forth. You can also use the same bank accounts for both Venmo and Cash App, which will let you transfer fund in either direction. So here, how to add Cash App as a bank account in Venmo. As an example, you'll just need to go to Venmo, go to direct deposits, as an example, enable that. And once you click on that, you can open Cash App, of course, and tap on the back icon, click on direct deposit. You'll need to cash or you need a cash card to enable it. You can then click on add the cash card to Venmo. This is how you do it, basically, very easy. And yeah, you should be then good to go. Of course, add your bank or card details. Click on Venmo, and then tap me. Click on settings, tap payments methods, add bank or bank card, select the bank, and use plate verification system to enter your Cash App account info. And of course, first of all, you can start now transferring funds. And if you want to transfer fund, you can transfer it instantly for 1% fee, or you can transfer it without fees, but you'll need to wait from 1 to 3 business days. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.